Hi, Larry Gaines, Power Cycle Trading. Well, every new earnings season brings some really crazy opportunities for trading as far as volatility and market spikes or implied volatility, collapse, etc. So, what I like to do is look at the statistics of the various stocks that are going to get ready to release earnings. And here's an example of one with Netflix. So here's Netflix, and this is what my earnings worksheet. So if you just look at Netflix, you can see from the last 11 earnings cycles. Okay, this is 11 earnings seasons. Netflix has had an implied expected move on average of a 9.36% up or down. But over those same 11 periods, it's exceeded that move by 11.2% up or down. So that tells you a kind of a option strategy, weekly option strategy that you can use to take advantage of this major huge spike either up or down for Netflix. So let's take a look at the trade setup. So first off, the Netflix, here's the option chain. So here's the 20 July series, 4 days expiration. Netflix went out at around $400. So the expected move, you can see how the implied volatility has shot up to over 90%. Normally it's around 45, so double. And so the expected move up or down is around 8.5% from this price over the next 4 days. So it could be up $33 or down $33 basically. So looking for a huge move. So here's one way to take advantage of that. So what we did to take advantage of this potential for an explosive move is set up an iron condor debit spread. So bought the 20 July series, the 412.5, 415 call debit spread. Bought the July 20 series, 385, 382.5 put debit spread, $1.95, and what we need to do is have this either close above the 415 strike there, so over 4% up or 4% down. And earnings came out and it looks like we're going to get a big move to the downside. So the expected move was for a move down potentially to 365 or a move up to 437. So we did this iron condor debit spread where it just needs to move up to 415 or greater or down to 382.5 or more or greater, to the downside by this Friday's expiration. So earnings were just released, and you can see Netflix just got hammered to the downside. It's currently down 14.5%. So as long as it closes here on Friday below 382.5, this will be a max profit trade that we set up. So it'll be about a 30% return on our capital at risk. I hope this helps. Talk to you on the next video update.